Have you ever noticed how some people manage to maintain radiant skin, healthy joints, strong hair, and plenty of energy as they get older? While collagen supplements are often promoted as the answer, supporting your body's natural collagen production can begin with something much simpler: what you eat for breakfast. Your body already has the ability to produce collagen, but it depends on receiving the nutrients needed for that process. Choosing foods rich in protein, vitamin C, healthy fats, and antioxidants can help provide the building blocks needed to support and protect collagen. In today's video, we're counting down 7 delicious breakfast ideas packed with these important nutrients. And be sure to watch until the end, because the final recipe combines several powerful collagen-supporting foods into one easy and nutritious meal. 1. Greek yogurt with berries, kiwi, and pumpkin seeds. This simple breakfast combines several nutrients your body needs to naturally support collagen production and maintain healthy tissues. Greek yogurt provides high-quality, complete protein containing all the essential amino acids needed for tissue repair, muscle maintenance, and collagen formation. Its protein content also helps you stay satisfied and energized longer than many sugary cereals or highly processed breakfast foods. Protein is only part of the equation, however, because vitamin C is also essential for producing strong collagen fibers. Berries and kiwi make an excellent combination for this reason. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries provide vitamin C along with antioxidants that help protect existing collagen from oxidative stress associated with free radicals, environmental pollution, UV exposure, and normal aging. Together, these fruits provide nutrients that support both collagen production and protection. Kiwi is particularly valuable because it contains a substantial amount of vitamin C along with potassium, vitamin E, fiber, and other beneficial plant compounds. Adding it to your yogurt bowl creates a flavorful, nutrient-rich topping that supports healthy skin and overall well-being. Pumpkin seeds add another layer of nutrition. These small seeds contain magnesium, zinc, copper, healthy fats, iron, and plant-based protein. Zinc contributes to normal skin health and tissue repair, while copper is involved in the formation and maintenance of connective tissues, including collagen. Magnesium also participates in numerous processes throughout the body, including protein synthesis, energy production, and normal muscle function. For a healthier bowl, choose plain Greek yogurt rather than heavily sweetened flavored versions. Excessive added sugar may contribute to glycation, a process that can affect the structure of proteins such as collagen. Fresh berries and kiwi provide plenty of natural sweetness without requiring large amounts of added sugar. If you don't consume dairy, unsweetened soy yogurt can be a useful alternative because it can still provide substantial protein. You can also add walnuts for additional healthy fats, or a little cinnamon for extra flavor and antioxidant compounds. With protein, vitamin C, fiber, healthy fats, antioxidants, and important minerals all in one bowl, this colorful breakfast is an easy way to provide your body with a wide range of nutrients that support healthy skin, connective tissue, and overall health. 2. Vegetable omelet with spinach. Bell peppers, tomatoes, and avocado eggs are an excellent foundation for a breakfast designed to support collagen production because they provide high-quality protein and important amino acids used by the body to build and maintain tissues. Starting the day with eggs gives your body valuable building blocks needed for healthy skin, cartilage, tendons, bones, and connective tissue. Adding colorful vegetables makes the meal even more nutritious. Spinach supplies vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, magnesium, iron, and various antioxidants that support normal cell function and help protect cells from oxidative stress. Red bell peppers are especially valuable because they are exceptionally rich in vitamin C. This nutrient plays an essential role in normal collagen synthesis, while the peppers also provide beta-carotene, which the body can convert into vitamin A to support healthy skin. Tomatoes contribute additional vitamin C along with lycopene, a naturally occurring antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Regularly including tomatoes in a balanced diet can therefore add another valuable source of protective plant compounds. Avocado provides a creamy texture while contributing monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Healthy fats are important components of a balanced diet, while vitamin E provides antioxidant support and works alongside other nutrients that help protect cells. Cooking the omelet with a small amount of extra virgin olive oil can add more unsaturated fats and beneficial plant compounds. Fresh herbs such as parsley, basil, or dill can also enhance the flavor while adding additional plant nutrients. The recipe is easy to customize depending on what you have available. Mushrooms can contribute selenium, broccoli can increase the vitamin C content, onions add flavorful sulfur-containing compounds, and smoked salmon can provide additional protein and omega-3 fats. Instead of relying on processed breakfast sandwiches or refined carbohydrates, this colorful omelet delivers a combination of protein, vegetables, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a satisfying way to start the morning while giving your body many of the nutrients needed to support normal collagen production and overall tissue health. 3. Overnight oats with chia seeds, almonds, orange, and cinnamon. Overnight oats may be incredibly simple to prepare, but the right ingredients can turn them into a nutrient-dense breakfast. Soaking rolled oats overnight creates a creamy meal rich in fiber, complex carbohydrates, and plant protein. Because oats provide slower digesting carbohydrates, they can help provide sustained energy and keep you feeling satisfied throughout the morning, compared with many highly sweetened breakfast cereals. Chia seeds make this breakfast even more nutritious. Despite their tiny size, they provide plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidant compounds. These nutrients contribute to overall nutritional health, while the seeds also develop a soft, pudding-like texture after soaking, making the meal especially filling. Almonds add crunch along with vitamin E, monounsaturated fats, magnesium, and additional protein. Vitamin E has antioxidant properties that help protect cells from oxidative stress, while healthy fats contribute to a balanced diet and support normal skin function. Fresh orange pieces provide a bright burst of flavor, as well as vitamin C, an essential nutrient involved in normal collagen formation. Using fresh fruit also allows you to add natural sweetness without depending on refined sugar or heavily sweetened syrups. A little cinnamon provides warmth and additional flavor while contributing naturally occurring antioxidant compounds. If you want to make the bowl even more substantial, add blueberries, sliced strawberries, or a spoonful of plain Greek yogurt for extra protein and nutrients. The biggest advantage of overnight oats is convenience. Prepare everything the evening before, place it in the refrigerator, and you'll have a ready-to-eat breakfast waiting in the morning. With oats, chia seeds, almonds, orange, and cinnamon, every serving combines fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds in one simple meal. 4. Smoked salmon on whole grain toast with avocado and microgreens. This breakfast brings together several highly nutritious ingredients that can work together to support healthy skin, joints, muscles, and overall well-being. Smoked salmon provides an excellent source of complete protein along with heart-friendly omega-3 fatty acids. Protein supplies the amino acids your body relies on to build collagen, while omega-3 fats help maintain healthy inflammatory responses and support the condition of the skin from within. Whole grain toast creates an ideal foundation for this meal. Compared with refined white bread, whole grains provide significantly more fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, and other important nutrients that help sustain energy for longer periods. The additional fiber also supports digestive health and helps you stay satisfied much longer than highly processed breakfast foods. Creamy avocado adds another valuable source of nutrition, providing monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. These beneficial fats help nourish skin cells, support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, and contribute to maintaining soft, flexible, and healthy-looking skin. Vitamin E also works together with vitamin C to help protect collagen from oxidative stress and everyday cellular damage. Adding microgreens or sprouts makes this breakfast even more nutrient-dense. Although they are harvested while still young, microgreens can contain concentrated amounts of vitamins C, E, and K, as well as antioxidants that help protect skin cells from free radical damage. They also provide a fresh, slightly peppery flavor that pairs especially well with the richness of salmon and avocado. For an extra burst of flavor and nutrition, squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the salmon. The additional vitamin C can further support collagen production while giving the entire meal a brighter, fresher taste. You can also finish the toast with black pepper, fresh dill, or sesame seeds for additional flavor and nutrients. Altogether, this breakfast provides a well-rounded combination of protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. It is filling, flavorful, and packed with many of the nutrients your body needs to naturally support collagen production and maintain healthy skin and connective tissues throughout the day. 5. Bone broth breakfast soup with chicken, vegetables, and herbs. Although soup may not be considered a traditional breakfast in many parts of the world, starting the morning with a warm and nourishing bowl is a common practice in numerous cultures. Bone broth is especially appealing because it naturally contains gelatin and collagen-derived amino acids that can contribute to supporting connective tissues as part of a balanced diet. It is also warm, hydrating, comforting, and generally easy to digest. Adding shredded chicken makes the meal more substantial by providing plenty of high-quality protein. Protein supplies the amino acids required for tissue repair, muscle maintenance, and the body's natural collagen building processes. Chicken also contributes useful nutrients such as niacin, phosphorus, selenium, and vitamin B6, which play important roles in normal metabolism and immune function. The vegetables add another layer of nutrition to the soup. Carrots provide beta-carotene, which the body can convert into vitamin A to help maintain healthy skin, while spinach supplies vitamin C, folate, magnesium, and iron. Celery and onions contribute fiber and beneficial plant compounds, and mushrooms provide antioxidants along with important minerals that support overall health. You can increase the vitamin C content even further by adding leafy greens or chopped bell peppers. Because vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, combining vitamin C-rich vegetables with a high-quality protein source creates a particularly nutritious meal for supporting the body's natural collagen production. Fresh herbs such as parsley, cilantro, dill, or chives add brightness and flavor while also contributing additional vitamins and antioxidant compounds. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice immediately before serving can make the soup taste even fresher while providing another source of vitamin C. Another major advantage of this breakfast is its ability to provide hydration. Warm broth helps replace fluids after several hours of sleep, while staying properly hydrated supports healthy-looking skin by helping maintain moisture and elasticity. Unlike sugary breakfast foods that can lead to an energy crash, this protein-rich soup can provide lasting fullness and more consistent energy throughout the morning. Warm, satisfying, and loaded with valuable nutrients, bone broth breakfast soup can be an excellent choice for anyone who wants to support healthy skin, joints, muscles, and overall wellness, while giving the body many of the nutrients involved in natural collagen production. 6. Cottage cheese bowl with papaya, pineapple, walnuts, and flax seeds. Cottage cheese is an excellent high-protein option for breakfast, especially for anyone interested in supporting the body's natural collagen production. It contains complete protein with all the essential amino acids needed to build and repair tissues throughout the body. Because cottage cheese digests relatively slowly, it can also help you remain satisfied for several hours while providing steady energy throughout the morning. Unlike many highly processed breakfast choices, it naturally contains valuable nutrients without requiring large amounts of added sugar. Papaya is one of the standout ingredients in this colorful bowl because it provides an excellent supply of vitamin C, a nutrient that plays a critical role in collagen synthesis. Without adequate vitamin C, the body cannot efficiently produce collagen. Papaya also contains beta-carotene, vitamin A, and antioxidant compounds that help protect skin cells from oxidative stress associated with sunlight, pollution, and the natural aging process. Its naturally sweet tropical flavor also allows you to enjoy a dessert-like breakfast without relying on refined sugar. Pineapple adds another generous source of vitamin C while also supplying bromelain, a naturally occurring enzyme that has been studied for its potential role in digestion and normal inflammatory responses. Pairing pineapple with papaya creates a refreshing combination that is flavorful while providing a wide range of nutrients that support healthy skin and general wellness. Walnuts provide another important nutritional boost. They contain heart-healthy omega-3 fats, vitamin E, magnesium, copper, and antioxidants. These nutrients help nourish the skin while also supporting brain and cardiovascular health and protecting cells from everyday oxidative stress. The beneficial fats found in walnuts can also contribute to maintaining skin moisture and elasticity. Adding a spoonful of ground flax seeds provides additional fiber, plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, and lignans, which are naturally occurring plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Fiber helps support a healthy digestive system, while beneficial fats contribute to healthy, hydrated skin. For extra flavor and nutrition, you can add a small amount of cinnamon or a handful of fresh berries for another dose of antioxidant-rich plant compounds. This colorful cottage cheese bowl is naturally sweet, protein-rich, and packed with healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and other valuable nutrients. It is quick to prepare, highly satisfying, and provides many of the building blocks your body needs to support natural collagen production as part of a balanced diet. 7. Collagen-supporting green smoothie bowl. Our final breakfast brings together several nutrient-rich foods associated with supporting natural collagen production in one colorful and satisfying bowl. It is especially convenient for busy mornings because it can be prepared quickly while delivering an impressive combination of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Begin with plain Greek yogurt or unsweetened soy yogurt as the base. Both options provide high-quality protein and the amino acids your body needs to build and repair collagen in other tissues. Greek yogurt also gives the smoothie bowl a rich, creamy consistency while helping keep you satisfied throughout the morning. Next, add a generous handful of fresh spinach. Although spinach is naturally low in calories, it contains vitamin C, folate, magnesium, iron, and numerous antioxidants that can help protect collagen and skin cells from everyday oxidative stress. It is also an easy way to significantly increase the nutritional value of your breakfast without overpowering the flavor. Blend in frozen mango and kiwi to provide natural sweetness, along with another substantial dose of vitamin C. These fruits also supply antioxidants, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds that support healthy skin and normal immune function. Their bright tropical flavor makes the bowl naturally delicious without needing added sugar. Half an avocado gives the mixture an exceptionally smooth and creamy texture while supplying monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, potassium, and fiber. Healthy fats help nourish skin cells and can also assist the body in absorbing important fat-soluble vitamins. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber, calcium, protein, and plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. Pumpkin seeds provide additional magnesium, zinc, and copper, minerals that are involved in tissue repair and collagen formation. Together, these ingredients create a nutrient-dense combination that supplies many of the nutrients involved in maintaining healthy connective tissues. Finish the bowl with fresh blueberries or strawberries, sliced almonds, and a small amount of unsweetened coconut flakes. These toppings add appealing texture along with more antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamin C, making the final meal both nutritious and satisfying. This smoothie bowl is one of the simplest ways to bring several collagen-supporting foods together in one meal. It is refreshing, filling, and packed with nutrients that can support healthy skin, joints, muscles, and overall wellness. It's important to remember that no individual food can eliminate wrinkles or rebuild collagen overnight. Healthy collagen production is supported by consistent daily habits, including eating enough high-quality protein, getting sufficient vitamin C, choosing healthy fats, and regularly consuming colorful fruits and vegetables that provide the nutrients your body needs to naturally produce and maintain collagen. At the same time, reducing habits that may accelerate collagen breakdown is also important. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, inadequate sleep, chronic stress, and diets high in added sugars and ultra-processed foods can contribute to faster skin aging. Staying adequately hydrated, exercising regularly, and protecting your skin from excessive sun exposure are also important parts of maintaining healthy collagen and overall skin health. The good news is that supporting your body's natural collagen production doesn't require expensive supplements or complicated recipes. Simple, nutrient-dense breakfasts like these can become part of a healthy routine when enjoyed consistently. Whether you choose Greek yogurt topped with berries, a colorful vegetable omelet, satisfying overnight oats, smoked salmon toast, nourishing bone broth, tropical cottage cheese, or a vibrant green smoothie bowl, each meal provides another opportunity to give your body nutrients that support healthy skin, strong joints, and overall wellness. If you enjoyed today's video, tell us in the comments which of these collagen-supporting breakfasts you are most excited to try. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide featuring healthy foods, natural wellness ideas, and simple ways to support your body and feel your best.